Today we are in Commack, New York. Customer want to change the opener. He has an old opener. You want to change it to a belt leaf master, as you see right here. You want to change the rollers, the old rollers. And he want to change the bottom rubber as well. We're gonna do it for him right now. We are in Commack, Long Island, Garage Door Pro Repair, 917-436-0006. Here we are in Commack. We just finished with the opener. We just put the new opener. Here's the leaf master. We changed the roller and everything. Here we go. We just finished with the job right here in Commack. As you see, the door is going down. It's a brand new leaf master. And the door is going up. No problems, no issues whatsoever. Sir, how do you like the job?
Awesome. Very good, very courteous and fast.
What we did for you?
Excellent.
Can you explain what we did for you?
Oh, they put in a new garage door opener, rebuilt the wheel system, the springs, everything.
You like?
Love it. Nice and smooth, quiet.
Thumbs up.
Excellent.